1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Stuck With You, Justin Bieber. Fairly simple song. We're gonna start with putting a capo on first fret, please. And we got all open chords except one. We got one bar chord, so if you're a total beginner, that can be hard. Okay, anyway, let's get to it. We got a G major, first finger, second finger, pinky. Second chord is the bar chord, the B minor. So you got a bar, second fret, starting on the A string. Third finger on D string, pinky on G string, and second finger on third fret B. Then we have a C major, first finger, second finger, third finger. E minor, first finger, second finger, to D major, first, second, third. So let's check out the switching first and then talk about the rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. G, 2, 3. B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. E minor to D. B minor, C, E minor, and D. And a simple strumming for this could be just doing downstrokes. Down, 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 hit, down, down, E, D, G, down, down. So you mute it on the third. Keep it open on the E minor to D. All the chords, we do have a little bridge much later on in the song which goes to C, to G, back to C, then D, 3, 4. Now this time here, I remember that this is the only time this happens. The C actually becomes a C minor. One time in the whole song. So that's just like the B minor, but one step up. Yeah, and then back to If you are a beginner and you know the open chords a little bit, like G and the E, and you still want to play the song, you can play the B like this. So we don't have to bar it. So you can play 2nd fret A and 4th fret D. But if you do that, just remember to just play the A and the D string when you do that. So it would be... Doesn't sound bad. Cool, there it is. Stuck with you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool songs. Take it easy.